not just in a good mood today. I've got to prepare food. Whether you are in the mood or not, you've got to prepare food for the family. And very soon my kids will be home. So I want to quickly prepare food for them so that there will be food at home when they come back. You guys know that this motherhood thing is not easy at all. My husband can manage, but the kids cannot manage. So that is what I am doing. And also we have somewhere to go. A very important and crucial appointment that we need to attend to this afternoon. So I need to hurriedly prepare this lunch so that once they come back, they will just eat and then we get ready and attend the appointment. This is to all women, especially mothers. You guys are the pillars of the society. You are so strong. It is not easy. Just know that you are doing an amazing job, and when it gets so tough, you can just take your time and cool off. Okay, everything will be fine. Guys, I am going to remove this now, and then I'll put it back the oven until it's done. So guys, I need to dish them out. This thing is very hot, so let me use this to adjust it. I am getting ready because I'm getting my kids are back by the way. Yes. Why did you drop the clothes on the floor? My kids are back, as you guys can see, and we are getting ready to go out. But first of all, we need to eat because we are all hungry. We need to eat something before we leave. So that is what we want to do now. Okay, so here, this is the meat. I will give you my love. I will give you. So the potato and the ketchup is ready. So this is it, guys. Here, you guys will see it very well like this. So yeah, wait. So yummy, guys.
It's so hot. Mommy, don't eat it.
Ketchup.
Mommy, don't eat it. It's so hot.
I have said it's so hot. So delicious, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, take me, love. Wow, it's so yummy. It's so yummy, JJ. This one is chicken. JJ is writing his homework. Anyway, guys, later.